Hey, I wanted to jump on today because I've been talking to a lot of people recently about if you can talk, if you can type, you can run your business. So I want to make a quick video showing you what that actually looks like. And so what you're looking at is my Claude setup, which is connected to my CRM. And I'm going to do some daily tests. So this is all demo and test data. So it's not actually real client data to protect their privacy, but this is a small sampling of what can be done and set up in the system. And so when I say building a command center to run and operate your business from one place, this is what I mean. So here, dropping in the first prompt, just telling it that it's going to be demo data. And so include that bottom line there. So first one, I'm going to say, so every time you come in here in the morning, first thing you're going to do is say run my daily ops report. And it's going to look for all the key metrics that you have in your business, your KPIs, all the important data that you want to know and keep track of. This includes contacts, pipelines, opportunities, where people are in the process, and here you go. It is putting out. So Calamation Daily Ops Report needs your attention. Summit Plumbing has sent in proposals sent for 12 days, so we need to follow up. Northgate Roofing has had the contract for 6 days, and we want to give them a little nudge. Bright Lawn Care owes $18.50, and it is overdue, and one new lead came in. So then it goes into leads, appointment, pipeline, invoices, and clients. 12 active clients. Here's the invoices collected for the week. 41,000 in pipeline value, and the appointments that we have booked and what's happening today. So this gives you a quick snapshot and overview of your day and your highest priority task and what you should actually spend your time working on. So next, look, it even gives you a suggestion. So do you want me to draft follow-ups for every flag? Yes. And so this is, again, only a demo, but this is going to be trained on your business and your voice, the words you use, the phrases you say, words that and phrases that you don't want to include. So it's going to know how you speak in your language when it crafts these follow-up messages as well. And so as you see, it puts out the 3 draft messages right here to Summit Plumbing, to Northgate Roofing, and to Bright Lawn Care. And these 3 follow-ups are ready. Say those are good to send, and I'll push them through GHL, or tell me if you want to tweak anything first. Right? So let's assume in this case we're happy with how they came out with the drafts. So we're just going to say go ahead and send them. And so in this case, they'd actually be sent out through GoHighLevel so it can be tracked, and us in Claude, our operating system, is going to know when replies come in or actions are taken. So then you see all 3 sent, and so what's next? So we're going to say text everyone with an appointment today to confirm. As you see, we had 4 appointments booked above, and 3 are actually happening today. And so here they are, my name, and all 3 confirmed as sent already. So those are done, our appointments are confirmed, and now we can look at some data and compare. So we can say, how's revenue this week versus last? And it'll pull this data. So this week, 18,200. Last week, 14,009. So we're up 22%. 2 new client deposits. We have 3 open invoices still worth 3,200. And as you can see, we already sent those follow-ups. And last one here, it'll already know what to do and want me to tag the untagged lead and drop them into the nurture workflow. Yes. There we go. And because we don't know the source for whatever reason, we're going to tag him as source unknown and add it to the nurture workflow. He'll move through the 5-step sequence automatically, no follow-up needed unless he replies. And in that case, if you want, we can have AI reply to it. We can have that built into the workflow, or just have Claude, your operating system, analyze the reply, draft up a follow-up, and get it sent right from here. And you can see all of this has been set up, and it's done through Claude. I'm just talking, I'm just typing to it, I'm running my ops report, I've confirmed my appointment, I know where we stand for the week, what we need to do, and who we had to contact and follow up with, and those have already been sent. And this can be as detailed or as simple as possible, but now I've done a lot of my work already. Now I can sit there and focus on the revenue generating activities and the work I actually want to spend my time doing. And so that's the real power of Claude, getting it connected, using it as your command center and operating system to run and operate your business. Right? If you have any questions, I'm here. Just drop a comment below and we will find some time to talk. Thanks.